Assalamu alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health with sound iman. Hope you are getting ready for Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak. Welcome to IWHAT in Kitchen. In this video, Binillahi Ta'ala, we are going to be showing you how to make this stew. So, let's begin. Bismillah. The first thing that needs to be done is to prep your ingredients. Next is to season the ponmo. I'm going to be using one medium-sized onion. The onion has been diced. You can cut your ponmo to desired size and shape. These are the seasoning and spice that I'm using to marinate the ponmo. You can marinate it and leave it to boil later, or you can boil it straight away. I've got garlic powder, 1 tablespoon, ginger powder, 1 tablespoon, chili powder, 1 tablespoon. This white pepper, 1 teaspoon. Minced herb, 1 tablespoon. Curry, 1 teaspoon. And salt, 1 teaspoon. And I've got ordinary no, 4 cubes. It's 2 cubes in each mangi. So I decided to mix this together and marinate it and leave it for later. If you are cooking the ponmo with meat, you don't need to do this. You can just boil the ponmo together with the meat. But because I'm going to be cooking this with fish. That's why I'm doing this separately, so that the ponmo can be well seasoned. So you mix this well. I need to add water. After mixing this, I'm going to set it aside. I have tried my best to mix it well, so I'm going to cover it and leave it aside. Next is for me to season the snail. I'm using half onion and ginger. And I've got here 2 tablespoons of suya pepper, garlic, minced herb, and white pepper with little bit of curry. You don't want to over season the snail so that it will retain its natural taste. As I said earlier, you don't add salt to snail. If you do, it will become slimy again. So I will mix this well and leave it to marinate for a while before boiling it. I have finished mixing it. After you finish mixing it, you set it aside. Add a little bit of water and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to cover this, and I'm also prepping the ponmo. So this one too, I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes as well. This has been boiling for 15 minutes, so I'm going to off the heat now and leave it. Same with the ponmo. This has also boiled for 15 minutes, so I'm going to turn the heat off now as well. So I'll just cover them and let the steam do the rest. That is the oil for the snail. Okay, you need to get more hot. The oil is hot enough now. Time to add the snail. You don't want it to over fry, so 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is enough to fry the snail. I'm going to add cold water to this and set it aside. I'm going to clean and dice these 5 onions. While prepping the onion, I'm going to bleach a little bit of oil. We are using the sunflower oil from this that we use to fry the snail. Add the bleached oil. Add the onions. While I prep the egun. After removing this dark part of the egun, next is to shift the egun to get rid of sand. I'm not using the egun water in this recipe, so it will be set aside. Add the egun. Add the wara. I'm adding this pepper. Do you remember this? Oh my god. Do you remember this pepper from the last cooking? I've pre-cooked this one. Add some fresh diced onions. I've got a little bit of beske here. We call it soya beans cake. The pepper is not spicy enough, so I'm adding some chili flakes to it. That should be enough. I'm adding ready to eat crayfish. And this, the jumbo size crayfish powder blended, the head and the other parts. Next is to add mangi. I'm using crayfish, so I'm going to be using 5. While this is set aside, I'm going to clean the beans. I've finished cleaning the beans 3 times with warm water and twice with cold water. So I'm going to add a ponmo before cooking the beans. I forgot to add minced herbs, so I'm adding it now. I'm using the instant pot to cook the beans. So I'm going to reduce the minute to 15 minutes because I'm cooking rice and beans. Add a little bit of seasoning. I'm using the lamb stock jumbo. Add a little bit of oil and salt. That's been added already. And onion. I'm going to add additional water to cover this. While the beans is cooking, I need to boil the egg. That one will also take like 10 minutes to boil. The egg has finished boiling. Add cold water to the egg while I wash the dishes. The dishes have been cleared and the egg has been peeled, and I need to clean the rice now because the beans is ready. I need to reduce the steam so that I'll be able to open the pot. I'm adding the egg to the sauce. I just need to mix the rice one more time. The textures of the beans is nice, so this is the time to add the rice. I use 1.5 cup of beans and 3 cup of rice. I'm adding salt. That's like two teaspoons of salt. Yeah, that's 15 minutes. The rice is done, so I've reduced the pressure. Alhamdulillah, the rice and beans is ready. So I'm going to mix it and serve it. I'm going to gently add the fish now, but I don't want them breaking. Then you gently press the fish inside the stock. You gently press the fish. So that it can soak in the sauce. After that, you reduce the heat. The last thing I'm going to add before turning off the heat is the snail, even though it's almost finished. I made 10 snail, but I managed to add only 5. Alhamdulillah, all the fish come out nice. See, everything is intact. Where's my snail? Oh, it's there. Let me try the snail first. Bismillah. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. Hope you like and enjoy this video, and hope to see you in the next video. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love. IWHAT.